Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcash on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we're going to learn how to delete emails before certain date in Gmail. Okay, so in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find out your all emails, or you can say your old emails before certain date or after certain date, and how you can delete it. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's start with the video. So guys, here you can see this is my Gmail account, and let me show you how you can find out before certain date emails or old emails. So here you can see this is my demo one, and I have only 195 emails. So go to the search bar and click on it and type before, then type colon, then type the date. I just type first date, then month, and then year. So you can enter date in any format and just enter. So you can see this is month and this is date and this is year. So you can see I find out before 10th October 25 10th October. So you can see I got the all emails before 25th. Okay, so if you want to find after, just type here after and all email will be appear after 10th October. Now if you want to delete it, just select this, just check mark this checkbox, and now if you have more than 50 conversion, then you have to click on select all and you can delete from here, but it's still not deleted because it's moved to the trash. So just navigate your cursor on right side, left side, go to the more. So guys, just scroll down and here you have to find the trash option. This is because whenever you delete something from a primary or inbox folder, so it will be move here, and it will be stay here for 30 days, and after 30 days it will be automatically deleted as per Google policy. Okay, so now if you want to delete from here also, just select all as same and you can delete from here. But when you delete here for forever, so it will can't be undo, so please check again and delete it. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.